Howdy doody dandy. Who's ready for a stock market weekly update, baby? I know I am. So guess what? Here's the Dow. Look at it. Look at the Dow in all its glory. 28,000. On the week, up 1%. Nothing too absurd there. Nice 1% gain. Pretty well a nice, decent little chart here. A little bit of stagnation here on Friday. Obviously, market closed Thursday, so it's a little bit of a little shorter dealio. So starting here from Monday really is what we're looking at. So not much movement overall, but you know what? On the month, up 3.72. Year to date, up 20.25. I mean, no complaints here. No complaints to be had here. I love it. So now we're talking about the S&P. S&P. Which this bad boy, guess what? 5 days of 1.21. Pretty nice. I love it. I love it. And I would love some more of it if that's potential possibility here. And I think it is. So that puts us now on the month 3.4 up for the S&P. And on the year now, 25.3% up. That is freaking wild. That's really good. It's really good stuff. So we'll see if we can keep that going on here. See what things look like. Next, the NASDAQ. As much as it loves trying to give me that 1-day chart, you know I'm looking for that 5-day chart, baby. Similar story here. Pretty well just gradual rise. Friday, a little bit of decrease here. Nothing absurd. So on the 5-day, up 1.87 on this bad boy. Let's freaking go. On the month, up 4.5. And year to date, up 30.6%. Gosh darn. That is lovely. Lovely, lovely, and lovely. We're rocking this right now, and I'm really just enjoying a good time here, and we're hoping to keep this train rolling. And I think there's chance too. You want to know why? Because this week we got the Q3 GDP number. Guess what, baby? 2.1% increase versus a consensus of 1.9. Yikes! 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 And the estimate was that was the prior estimate. Wow! Isn't that fantastic? I don't know about you, but we were expecting a slight decrease, and we ended up getting a slight increase, which again is why these bad boys are up this week. These indices. It's because this is fantastic news. Obviously, everyone's got fears of recession, and guess what? If you grow your GDP, there's no need to fear any recession. So definitely something pretty exciting here. These are some good GDP numbers, and we can hope to keep that up, as well as just good unemployment numbers. I mean, this is what we love to see. This is what we love to see, and we'll see if this continues, and we can just keep rocking it. Obviously, we're very late in an economic cycle. I know everyone loves to use the recession every 5 to 10 years. You can say what you want, but I don't know why you'd wish anything upon us negative that way. I mean, just let it ride out, baby. Let's do what we can do. If we run into a recession, we're going to survive. I'm going to buy a crap load of stock. But if not, I'm just going to enjoy it in the meantime. If we can keep getting these gains in the meantime, I'm not upset. Also, some more news to talk about. So, Mr. Donnie Trumpy, signed a bill supporting the Hong Kong protesters. So naturally, this has the ability to cause some disruption, maybe between China and the United States. Obviously, this is a big ordeal. What will this do? And we haven't heard anything on this because this was signed as of Wednesday. So what's going to happen? I didn't hear anything today. Maybe we'll wait until next week and start hearing something as far as, I don't know if there's going to be some retaliatory tariffs or what this might be as a result. So we're just going to hope this doesn't affect anything in terms of trade or whatever it might be, because if it does, Yikes, that could be rough. So we'll just want the good news. That's all we want. We want the good news. There's no denying it. Give me the good news. We'll see how this thing goes. I mean, it's an important bill to sign. I like it. And then finally, we have some Black Friday news. That's right. So obviously, this is a very, very big Black Friday for us. Strong numbers, and there's no shocker. I think there's some estimates to where we could be up around 17 to 20% in terms of year-over-year sales increases for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and just through all of November, really, through Cyber Monday. There's plans for increases of around 15 to 20%, which is fantastic. Obviously, as I can mention plenty of times, it's a fantastic sign for any economy when your consumers are willing to shop and they're willing to continue shopping and shop more. It's a fantastic sign that the dollar's strong and people are confident with their money right now. So, or maybe they're stupid with their money. It's hard to say. But I like to assume that people are confident with their money, that they're able to spend money and not have to save everything. So it's something to consider. Good Black Friday numbers and good just overall sales data for the month. Adobe Analytics really pumping out some good data for us. Makes me happy. So we'll see how things go. Here's your weekly update, baby. I hope you enjoy.